Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today, I'm going to show you can turn your calls into content using AI. So for today, I'm going to be using Claude for this video, but you can use ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever you need. On top of this, you also need an AI note taker. In my case, I'm going to be using Fireflies. Now, if you haven't connected Fireflies or the other AI note taker to your Claude account, the only thing that you need to do is go to connectors. And then, as you can see right here, I do already have the toggle. That is because I clicked on add connectors and then I just searched for the connector for the AI note taker that I'm using. So for example, right here, I have Fireflies, which is the one I'm going to be using today, but you can also use others such as Fathom, which are fantastic tools. Now, because they're now connected, I can always ask Claude things about the meetings that I've had. In this case, what I'm going to do is going to be very specific. I'm going to ask it to give me all of the transcript from my latest meetings and extract all of the things that I said that can be used as LinkedIn posts or case studies. Hey Claude, can you please go to my latest meeting in Fireflies? Then I want you to check the transcript and extract all of the sentences that I said that can be used for LinkedIn posts. Now, once you send this to Claude, it's going to take a couple of seconds to really be able to dig through all of the transcript and come back to you. But this is something that you can automate using Cowork if you ever use the schedule task, for example. Out of a single meeting, you can get an idea for at least 5 quotes. I guarantee that. Now we're just gonna wait for Claude to finish this and we're gonna come back. All right, and now we're back. So as you can see, Claude actually analyzed the entirety of the transcript and came back to me with many things that I can use for LinkedIn posts. For example, I have overview on the rising demand for AI coaching at an executive level, on why CEOs prefer one-to-one coaching as it's some of the services that I actually give to people. Access and principles. So for example, this, I don't believe it should be good to log the fact of having access to a good coach behind a paywall. And also AI as operational. AI has become the center of operation for everything. Yeah, so this one looks cool. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be taking this quote and we're gonna be creating a post for LinkedIn using it. Now, I'm not gonna be creating the text, I'm gonna be creating the image that goes with it, as I consider that you will always use your tone and your creativity for LinkedIn. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you getdesign.md. This is a website where you can get design systems that will allow you to get very nice branding on the post that you're creating. Of course, this is not going to be your brand, but you can take something that's very close to you. In my case, for this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go into the Claude one. And the only thing that you have to do once you're here is you have to click on this design.md, and all of this text is pretty much extremely precise information on how this brand works. Now, I'm simply going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to head into Claude Design. Now, what I did in Claude Design is quite simple. I simply asked it to create a grid of social media cards that I can then use. So this is contained inside of this folder precisely. You can have a template that you reuse 1, 2, 3 times. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to give the design system right here to Claude. Then I'm going to go back to it because Claude Design and Claude are not actually connected. And I'm going to take this quote right here. Or actually, because these ones are, these two are quite nice, I'm simply going to take both of them and I'm going to give them to Claude Design. So I'm going to give these quotes. Hey, Claude, now I want you to create 4 variations of social media cards using these 2 quotes and also using the design system that I gave you. And we're going to send that away. Now, Claude Design is going to take a while as well, so I'm simply going to come back to you with the finished result. Right, now we're back. So as you can see, Claude Design has actually completed 4 different cards that then we can download and we can use for our social media posts. So this is a good format for LinkedIn, but you can also use it for Instagram if you ever need it. So these look nice. They're actually very well branded for Claude. So as you can see, you can get things that are very good with just a couple of simple prompts. So after this, the only thing that I need to do is I need to ask Claude to be able to download this. You can send this to Claude Code and actually have it converted into PDFs or images that you can use in your social media. If you're not happy with the result, the only thing that you need to do is you need to just keep iterating and then you can save that template. But now you have templates for LinkedIn posts or any other social media that you need coming directly from your perspective on the things that you've been working on. That's what's going to make your social media post unique. It is your tone, your voice. The only thing that we're doing is we're taking everything that you say in sales calls, in coaching calls, or anything that you do, and we're turning all of that into content. Now, I'll catch you up in the next video. See you.